Pat Farrell here. Someone once told me there's no money in Braille, but let me assure you that there's certainly Braille in money. Join me in a quick trip to 5 continents to find Braille on both popular and collectible coins. Firstly, let me say that sadly the Braille representation on most coins, given the size of circulating examples, is usually too small to be read by touch. Blind people, anyway, are quite adept at recognising the value of both coinage and paper money, don't you think? Let's start in Asia. Palau issued its $5 coin. The date 2009 is in Braille. Palau issues many commemorative coins as part of its economy. India issued its 2 rupee coin. It surely is the winner regarding circulation in a nation of 1.3 billion people. It features El Braille written in Braille. Thailand has a 10 baht coin with 10 in Braille without the numeral indicator. This caused consternation in Holland's coin machines, as it is exactly the same size as a €2 coin. Referring to the exclusion of the numeral indicator, this is a feature of many coins, possibly as a space saver. South of Australia now, where the 2000 Invictus Games were marked by the issuance of a special $1 coin with Sydney 18 written in Braille. Across the Pacific, Peru and South America, Costa Rica in Central America, and Mexico in North America have all issued coins with denominations from 5 to 500 written in Braille. Quite small in all cases, but nonetheless nice to see the effort being put in. Further north, the $1/4 in the state of Alabama features Helen Keller with her name in Braille. Louis Braille himself is commemorating a special $1 coin. The 1995 Paralympics were marked by the issuance of 2 coins with the word Spirit written in Braille, 456S. Canada issued these whoppers. 100 is written in Braille on it. This particular silver one is in a capsule. His companion is not, and you can read the Braille on him. Back home, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Slovenia and Poland have issued coins with Braille. The Croatian 10 kuna is the lightest coin I've ever come across. It is pure gold, half a gram, and it is more gold flake. It features a fingerprint as well as Braille. Belgium issued this €2 coin with LB in Braille on it. It probably takes the award for the most readable coin in an area of 340 million people, the Eurozone. Italy, of course, issued a €2 coin to commemorate Louis Braille's centenary as well, but then they always had the 500 lira coin marked with Braille. Poland issued this attractive 10 zloty coin. You can see the Braille on it, and the white cane and fingerprint on the back. The former East Germany commemorated 25 years of its blind association by the issuance of this coin. Lots of Braille on it as well, in German of course. It is an attractive coin. France, of course, where Louis Braille came from, has issued many medallions, but not so many coins. a 100th fine commemorative, which shows a stylus, a hand reading Braille, and lots of Braille, and the man himself on the other side, Louis Braille. So that's it, around the world in 6 dots. It might not suit everyone, but at least we know the Braille is out there. Enjoy. Thank you.